Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Hinge Premium. So all you got to do is follow my video. So as you can see right here, I got boost my profile, all this stuff for free. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site, zestcoupons.com. So once you're here, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to go ahead and type in Hinge. So as you can see, guys, it says Hinge Premium coupon code. So press see more, scroll down, press show coupon, unlock code, and there you go. It is going to generate a code for you guys. Now I don't want to show the code on screen because it is very I want to hoard as many codes as I can because eventually my code's going to run out and I'm going to need a new code. So I'm going to show you guys in the App Store why you shouldn't pay for Hinge. So as you guys can see, if we type in Hinge and we scroll down and go to in-app purchases, as you can see, it's very expensive. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super insane, guys. And you don't have to pay, guys. So as you can see, I got 1 boost free, 3 boosts free, 5 boosts free, super boost for free, all this stuff, guys. So it's super insane. It actually works. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out. This is insane, guys, and I haven't had any problems. So all you got to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to zestcoupons.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's zestcoupons.com. So this is the site where we can actually get basically the fully working Hinge Premium code. So as you can see, it says Hinge Premium. So you press see more. Then you just press show coupon and unlock code and you're good to go, guys. So be sure to go ahead, try this out for yourself, get the word out. I'm blown away this actually works, guys, but it does. Super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and just get the word out because this is super awesome. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to get the word out about this tutorial. It's super insane. And it's all at zestcoupons.com. It's the only site I can recommend that's actually updated. It's super cool, guys. It's insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. And peace out.